locked in. Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. World is gonna see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake. Whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake, loops trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action, and you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen, yeah. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade.
Grocery haul. I've already eaten this special samosa. I was so hungry. Next we have the jama bread. My favorite juice, Afia. This time around I got the multivitamin mixed fruits. And my favorite ice cream, this is the jumbo strawberry. This is what I'm cooking today. This is beans and Royco to go with the beans. Hey crescents, how are you doing? It's the next day. Yesterday I went thrifting and I wanted to give you a haul of what I got.
Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all a secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. You know that it's bomb, they just wishing they could watch it glow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yay, yeah, yeah. Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation, I play the Xbox, good gracious. I'm so grateful, it made me say thank you.
Hey crescents, good morning. Today is hair day. I want to do my hair. It's looking crazy. So I'm going to be using this lash hair. This is the one that remained from when I last did my braids. And also this one. This is like a full one because we only took like three braids from here. And I'm also going to be using the remained curls. I know it's too little, but I'm planning on doing like jumbo braids, so they are going to add something, just to add something. Yeah, I'm also going to be trying this Best Lady gel wax. It says that it's for both natural and chemical hair, baby hair styler, braiding gel, and also rasta gel. So I'm going to try it as a braiding gel. I'm going to try it as a braiding gel. And this is my leave-in treatment. I love TCB Naturals. I love it. I love TCB. I've used this for a long time, since I was in high school. That's when I started taking good care of my natural hair, because I didn't know anything apart from oiling the hair. But when I started learning on how to take care of my natural hair, this was the product that I used the most as a leave-in treatment. So TCB Naturals leave-in treatment. This was a free product. It came with my lotion. That's why it has this tag. It came with my lotion. Jama Supermarket had an offer, so this came with my lotion. And yeah, also I have my coconut oil here. It's in solid right now, but the sun is coming this way, so I'm putting it down here so that by the time I want to use it, it can be in liquid form already. So yeah, you guys remember that I got this shirt recently from ENQUIRIES. This one. This one. This is just the same as this one, like this, the same material and the same like type of art. What a coincidence in thrifting. And This one I got from Think Twice. This one I'm not so sure, but I think it was also from Think Twice. I touched this one and I was like, oh my goodness, I have the same thing at home. The material is the same, the type of art is the same, and it's also oversized for me, like this one. Yeah. Anyway, let me show you guys what we are working with.
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah.
Hell no, man. What the fuck?
I have already parted the hair. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to do jumbo braids. So I don't know how long I'm going to take to do that, but the earlier the better. It's currently around 9:30ish. So I also want to do my lashes. I think I'll have time for that also. So yeah, let's begin.
Thank you, yeah. I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to grind upon me all night long. Yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon. But I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all the secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. You know that it's bond, they just wishing they could watch it glow, watch it go. Through the fire like the Shaka song. Ay, through the fire like a Shaka song. Ay, through the fire like I'm taking off. Like a rocket, I got wishes in my pocket. I can grant a couple things, girl, that really ain't no problem. Cause you're I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. And when I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to grind upon me all night long. Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah. Like it's delirium, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, like it's delirium.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time.
I love this hairstyle. It's not bulky. and it's simple and cute. I like to make sure that my scalp is oiled to the max. To the max. It feels so good to be done. This was like something stressing me during the morning, but now it's so done. Like, whew. And then I'm just going to shower, and I don't think I'm going to do my lashes today. I'm so tired. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. I think I'm going to do my lashes tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day. I think I'm going to do my lashes tomorrow. For today, we can settle for this. Like, I like the hairstyle. We are not pararad, hatuja parara. And yeah, I don't like this coconut oil because of how solid it can be. This is now from pressing it to come out. I don't like it. I like the other one, guys, the one that I usually use. Anyway, I think I'm going to see you guys tomorrow when I'm doing my lashes because I'm so tired. It's currently 3 or 4.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.